Welcome back to another day in Saigon with me, Katie. Today my family will go out with my relatives. They live in District 2. We enjoy our coffee at a lovely local cafe. This Vietnamese cafe emphasizes the natural view, garden, and honeycomb style design. Then we move to the next place to have lunch with a view overlooking the Saigon River. This restaurant is quite special because of the small entrance. At first glance, it looks like the entrance to someone's house, but once inside, the restaurant is quite spacious. The cool air dispels all the heat of the weather. What a review! Now my family is going to visit Matsuri Thao Dinh, where my relatives stay. Matsuri Thao Dinh is a prominent luxury apartment complex located in the Thao Dinh neighborhood of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. It offers a sophisticated and upscale living experience with its modern design, high-quality construction, and comprehensive range of amenities. The complex consists of many towers, including residential and commercial areas, providing a vibrant and self-contained community. Each resident will be issued a pass to enter the correct number of floors when using the elevator. Security is a priority in Matsuri, with 24/7 surveillance, secure access control, and professional property management services. The complex provides a safe and comfortable environment for residents. Residents of Matsuri apartments can enjoy a wide array of amenities within complex. These include swimming pools, a modern fitness center, landscape gardens, children's play areas, a sky garden, and barbecue areas. There are also facilities such as a shopping mall, restaurants, cafes, convenience stores, and a cinema, ensuring that residents have everything they need within walking distance. Furthermore, the location of Matsuri apartments is conveniently situated near major highways, making it easy to access other parts of the city. The neighborhood itself is renowned for its expatriate community, international schools, trendy dining options, and a vibrant social scene. The proximity to the Saigon River also adds to the charm of the location. The cost of living in Matsuri Thao Dinh can vary depending on factors such as the size and type of apartment, specific amenities, and other personal lifestyle choices. The rental prices typically range around 20 million Vietnamese dong to 60 million Vietnamese dong per month, or $850 to $2,500 per month for a one-bedroom apartment, while two-bedroom apartments can range from around 30 million Vietnamese dong to 80 million Vietnamese dong per month, or $1,300 to $3,400 per month. Utility costs, including electricity, water, and internet, usually amount to an average of 2 million Vietnamese dong to 4 million Vietnamese dong per month, or $85 to $170 per month, depending on usage. Dining out in restaurants and cafes within the surrounding area can vary in price depending on the establishment. A meal at mid-range restaurant may cost around 100,000 Vietnamese dong to 300,000 Vietnamese dong per person, or $5 to $13 per person, while cheaper options like street food can be as low as 30,000 Vietnamese dong to 70,000 Vietnamese dong per meal, or $1.50 to $3 per meal. The cost of transportation will depend on individual preferences and commuting patterns. Ho Chi Minh City offers various transportation options, including buses, taxi, motorbike, taxi, and ride-sharing services. A rough estimate for monthly transportation costs can range from 1 million Vietnamese dong to 3 million Vietnamese dong, or $43 to $130, depending on usage. It's important to note that these are rough estimates can vary based on personal choices, lifestyles, and market conditions. Let's drive around District 2 to see what this area has to offer. Thao Điền is a vibrant and rapidly developing neighborhood located in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. It is situated in District 2, which is known for its expatriate community and is becoming increasingly popular among both local residents and foreigners. The neighborhood offers a high standard of living with its upscale residential areas, trendy restaurants, cafes, and shopping centers. It is known for its cosmopolitan atmosphere and a diverse community of residents from various backgrounds. One of the key highlights of District 2 Thao Điền is its proximity to the Saigon River, which provides a scenic environment and allows for stunning river views from many residential properties. This has contributed to the area's appeal and desirability. Education is another significant aspect of District 2. The neighborhood hosts several international schools, including the British International School, the American School, the Australian International School, and the European International School. This makes it an attractive choice for families seeking high-quality education for their children. Additionally, Thao Điền offers a range of recreational facilities and green spaces. Residents can enjoy jogging or cycling along the riverside promenade, visit parks and playgrounds, or unwind at various wellness centers and spas. There are also several sports clubs and fitness centers in the area. Regarding the flooded situation, it's worth noting that certain parts of Thao Điền, particularly those closer to the river or low-lying areas, may be more susceptible to flooding during heavy rainfall or periods of high tide. Flooding can occur in some streets and areas, causing temporary inconveniences. Understanding the weather patterns and being prepared for both dry and rainy seasons can help residents navigate the climate in Thao Điền. In terms of transportation, District 2 is well connected to other parts of Ho Chi Minh City. The neighborhood is accessible via several main roads and bridges, and it takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes to reach the city center. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting experiences in Saigon. If you have questions, let me know in the comments section. See you in the next video.